Want to spend less time in the kitchen? These useful gadgets make cooking faster, food prep easier, and cleanup simpler. But wait for number 8. This little tool could save you serious time. Make egg preparation easier with this versatile egg white separator and beater. Designed to quickly separate egg whites from yolks, it also provides convenient beating and storage in one compact kitchen gadget. Made from food-grade materials, it's perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep, helping you work cleaner, faster, and with less mess. Make pancake mornings easier with the Whisk-Square Pancake Batter Mixer. The built-in blender ball wire whisk quickly blends smooth, lump-free batter with no extra bowls or mess. Simply mix, pour, and store in the same container for maximum convenience. Perfect for pancakes, waffles, muffins, and more, it's a must-have kitchen tool for fast, easy, and delicious homemade breakfasts. Prep ingredients like a pro with the Mogan 8 in one electric vegetable cutter. Powered by a 100-watt motor and equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, it quickly dices, slices, and chops vegetables and fruits with precision. Perfect for onions, potatoes, cabbage, and more, this versatile food processor saves time, reduces prep work, and makes cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Revolutionize your cooking with the Smart Food Processor all-in-one cooking machine. Featuring a 3-liter capacity, built-in digital scale, 7-inch touchscreen, and 12-speed control, it chops, blends, cooks, and more in one powerful appliance. The 1,000-watt heating system and self-cleaning function make meal prep faster, easier, and virtually mess-free. Perfect for busy kitchens and home chefs. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks every day with this 4-in-1 cold-press juicer. Featuring a 6.5-inch extra-large chute and a powerful AC motor, it juices whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Make fresh juice, nut milk, and sorbet, all with easy cleanup and a spacious 120-ounce capacity. Get yours today for just $80. Make every gathering more elegant with the Chef Sophie charcuterie board set. Crafted from beautiful acacia wood, this 13-inch cheese serving platter is perfect for entertaining guests. It comes with 4 cheese knives and 4 serving bowls, giving you plenty of space for cheeses, meats, fruits, nuts, and appetizers. Stylish, practical, and easy to arrange, it's a perfect centerpiece for parties, family dinners, holidays, and special occasions. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Make delicious homemade waffles with the Amazon Basics 2-slice waffle maker. Its 700-watt design delivers evenly cooked, golden waffles with a crisp outside and fluffy center. The non-stick cooking plates make releasing waffles and cleanup quick and easy, while the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, and family treats anytime. Enjoy a beautiful tea brewing experience with the Kinglass 900-milliliter glass teapot. Its clear design lets you watch blooming and loose-leaf teas steep, while the removable infuser makes brewing and cleaning simple. Designed for stovetop use, this elegant teapot is perfect for preparing flavorful tea at home and adds a stylish touch to any tea time routine. Make fresh homemade tortillas with ease using the Alpha Living 8-inch cast iron tortilla press. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, it's perfect for pressing tortillas, quesadillas, empanadas, and more. Durable, easy to use, and ideal for every home kitchen. Bring authentic flavors to your table for just $18. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice. These foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Cook healthier, crispier meals with the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE5 Quart. This versatile 9-in-1 air fryer features 7 one-touch presets, a durable ceramic-coated basket, and temperatures up to 450 degrees for fast, even cooking with up to 85% less oil. Complete with a shake reminder, keep warm function, and over 130 chef-inspired recipes, it's the perfect kitchen companion for delicious everyday meals. Make food prep faster with this electric cheese grater and rotary slicer. Featuring simple one-touch control and 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly shreds cheese, slices vegetables, and grinds nuts in seconds. Its compact design is perfect for everyday kitchen use, helping you prepare ingredients quickly and consistently while saving time and reducing manual effort. Keep your knives razor-sharp with the Presto Professional EverSharp electric knife sharpener. Its advanced 2-stage sharpening system quickly restores dull blades and hones a precision edge for long-lasting performance. Fast, easy to use, and suitable for most non-serrated kitchen and sport knives, it helps make food preparation safer, smoother, and more efficient every time. Enjoy fresh homemade juice with the Dash Dual Electric Citrus Juicer. Its auto-reversing reamer extracts maximum juice from oranges, lemons, limes, and more with minimal effort. Customize your drink using the adjustable pulp control, while the mess-free spout and 20-ounce juice container make pouring easy. Compact and stylish, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen for refreshing citrus drinks anytime. Handle every kitchen task with ease using the food processor and blender combo. This versatile appliance features an 88-ounce food processor for chopping vegetables, grinding meat, and kneading dough, plus a powerful 800-watt, 70-ounce glass blender for smoothies, soups, and sauces. With 2 speed settings and a pulse function, it delivers fast, consistent results, making meal prep quicker and more convenient every day. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Prep ingredients in seconds with the KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper. Its compact design packs powerful performance for chopping, mixing, and pureeing everything from vegetables to sauces. Featuring a spacious 5-cup bowl, simple one-touch controls, and a sleek matte black finish, it's the perfect everyday kitchen companion for fast, effortless meal preparation. Brew every cup to perfection with the Messity electric tea kettle. Featuring 9 preset brewing programs, precise temperature control, and a removable tea infuser, it's perfect for tea lovers of every kind. The durable 1.7-liter borosilicate glass design keeps tea warm for up to 2 hours, while the powerful 1,200-watt heating system delivers fast, flavorful brewing with ease. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this 10-inch bamboo turntable Lazy Susan. Featuring 2 spacious tiers and a smooth 360-degree rotating design, it keeps spices, sauces, jars, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to reach. Crafted from durable bamboo, its space-saving design fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops, helping you maximize storage while keeping everything within easy access. Enjoy entertainment while you cook with the Silvox 15.6-inch Kitchen Smart TV. This space-saving under-cabinet TV delivers crisp Full HD 1080p picture quality and features built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an app store for your favorite streaming services. Perfect for kitchens, RVs, campers, bedrooms, or boats, it brings smart entertainment wherever you need it. Grate cheese effortlessly with this rotary hand-crank cheese grater. Featuring 2 stainless steel drums and a comfortable handheld handle, it quickly shreds hard cheese, Parmesan, chocolate, nuts, and more. Made from BPA-free materials and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, this compact kitchen gadget delivers fast, consistent results without the hassle of traditional grating. Keep your kitchen blades sharp and ready with the Sharpel 191H knife and scissors sharpener. Designed to repair, restore, and sharpen straight and serrated kitchen knives, this versatile tool also works with scissors and other blades. Its easy-to-use design helps bring dull edges back to life quickly and efficiently. Compact, practical, and perfect for home cooks, It's a must-have tool for everyday kitchen maintenance. Slice and shred in seconds with the Presto Salad Shooter electric slicer/shredder. From cheese and vegetables to fruits and nuts, it makes meal prep quick, easy, and mess-free. Just point and shoot ingredients exactly where you need them. Save time in the kitchen and get yours today for just $46. Chop ingredients in seconds with the Aurocomb manual food processor. This portable 500 milliliters pull-string chopper effortlessly chops garlic, onions, vegetables, ginger, fruits, nuts, and herbs. No electricity needed. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick meal prep at home or on the go. Get yours today for just $13. Save and reuse cooking oil with this 2-liter oil filter pot. Featuring a fine strainer, fryer basket, cooking thermometer, and 50 wax papers, it makes filtering and storing oil simple and convenient. Made from durable stainless steel with a generous 68-ounce capacity, it's perfect for frying, bacon grease, and everyday kitchen or camping use while helping reduce unnecessary waste. Prepare delicious family meals with the NutriChef 20-inch oval roasting pan. This spacious stainless steel roaster includes a removable rack, fitted lid, and wide handles for easy handling. Perfect for turkey, chicken, roasts, stews, and more, it offers versatile cooking for holidays or everyday meals. Plus, its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup quick and convenient. Make everyday food prep quick and effortless with this portable cordless electric garlic chopper. Featuring a 400 milliliter capacity and 6 sharp stainless steel blades, it easily chops garlic, onions, vegetables, fruits, and more. The rechargeable cordless design offers convenient use anywhere, while its compact size makes it perfect for salads, baby food, sauces, and everyday meal preparation. Make everyday food prep quicker with this multifunctional manual fruit and vegetable slicer. Crafted with durable stainless steel, it helps you slice bananas, strawberries, grapes, cucumbers, and more with ease. Its compact handheld design is simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for preparing snacks, salads, and meal ingredients quickly and consistently. Create refreshing frozen treats anywhere with the Mamba manual snow cone machine. Its powerful 3-blade hand crank design quickly shaves ice for snow cones, slushies, and icy drinks. Compact and portable, it's perfect for parties, camping, and family fun. Complete with an ice cube tray and replaceable blades, it's an easy, mess-free way to enjoy homemade frozen desserts. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks without watered-down flavor with Kalia Whiskey Stones. These reusable stainless steel chilling cubes cool whiskey, bourbon, scotch, beer, and more in minutes while preserving every sip. Durable, easy to clean, and beautifully packaged, they make a thoughtful gift for dads, husbands, boyfriends, and any whiskey lover. Make breakfast faster and easier with the GD3 in one divided egg pan. Cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time with its smart multi-section design. Featuring a titanium-enhanced non-stick coating that's PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free, it's safe, durable, and induction compatible. Upgrade your morning routine today for just $18. Bring authentic smoky flavor to every meal with the Haka electric smoker oven. This versatile 3-in-1 countertop smoker, barbecue grill, and oven features 2 cooking layers and a convenient wood chip loader for rich, delicious results. Perfect for smoking pastrami, sausage, bacon, chicken, and pork with consistent, effortless performance indoors or outdoors. Prep meals in minutes with the Geniza electric food processor. Powered by a robust 450W copper motor, it effortlessly chops vegetables, grinds meat, and crushes nuts with dual bi-level blades. Featuring 2 spacious 8-cup bowls, it's perfect for fast, efficient, and mess-free cooking. Make measuring easier with the Polygon's 3-in-1 folding measuring spoons. 2 innovative magnetic spoons fold into 6 precise sizes, saving space without sacrificing accuracy. Built with durable Durabend technology for over 100,000 folds and designed to prevent spills with both wet and dry ingredients, they're a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Cook anywhere with the Drizzle foldable electric travel cooker. Featuring dual voltage compatibility from 100V to 240V and food-grade silicone construction, it's perfect for boiling water, noodles, soup, porridge, and steaming meals. Compact, foldable, and ideal for travel, camping, hotels, dorms, or the office. Grab this portable cooking essential for just $50. Keep your essentials perfectly chilled or warmed with the Kulyalai Mini Fridge. This compact 4-liter portable cooler holds up to 6 cans and is ideal for drinks, snacks, skincare, and makeup. With AC, DC, and USB power options, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, road trips, or anywhere convenience matters. Start your mornings smarter with the 3-in-1 multifunctional breakfast machine. This compact appliance combines a mini oven, coffee maker, and griddle in one space-saving design, letting you prepare toast, eggs, and fresh coffee all at the same time. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or busy kitchens, it makes breakfast quick, convenient, and delicious every day. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home with the Buhome Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer. Bake crispy stone-fired pizzas, air-fry healthier meals, roast, bake, and more with 9 smart cooking presets. Its 6.5-quart family-size capacity, viewing window, and adjustable 105 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature make every meal quick, easy, and delicious. Make homemade baby food the easy way with the Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. It automatically steams and blends fruits and vegetables in one simple step, with auto shutoff for added convenience. Dishwasher safe and complete with reusable pouches and funnels, it's perfect for healthy meals on the go. Cook pasta like a pro with the AutoLift commercial pasta cooker. Featuring 4 cooking baskets, automatic lift with timer, and adjustable temperature control, it makes perfect spaghetti, ramen, dumplings, and vegetables effortless. Fast, efficient, and ideal for busy kitchens or serious home cooks. Bring the steakhouse experience home with the Artestia Steak Stone Set. Featuring 2 premium volcanic lava stones and elegant bamboo trays, it lets you cook steak, seafood, and vegetables right at the table. Enjoy sizzling, perfectly cooked bites exactly the way you like them while adding a fun, interactive touch to every meal. Take the hassle out of dishwashing with the Ermsen large, slim countertop dishwasher. Its spacious 2-level rack fits more dishes, while the built-in 5-liter water tank means no plumbing or hookup is required. Featuring powerful 3-spray arm cleaning, multiple wash programs, and a convenient 12-hour delay start, it delivers sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort, perfect for apartments, RVs, offices, and compact kitchens. Cook more with less effort using the NewWave Brio 15.5-quart air fryer rotisserie oven. Its spacious capacity and adjustable temperature range from 50 to 425 degrees let you air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and rotisserie with precision. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals using less oil, while the versatile design makes it perfect for family dinners, snacks, and everyday cooking. Keep your essentials perfectly chilled with the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge Cooler. With up to 10 liters of storage space, it can hold around 15 cans, while its rugged brushed black stainless design adds a stylish touch. Compact and portable, it's perfect for skincare, makeup, drinks, or snacks in your car, office, bedroom, dorm room, or cabin. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Make meal prep faster and cleaner with this 2-pack 2-in-1 stainless steel garlic peeler. Effortlessly remove garlic skins in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. It also works great for peeling carrots, ginger, and other vegetables. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to use, this handy kitchen tool delivers big convenience for only $10.